Sorry. Hello everyone, back with another break. So at Target today, finally found this year's Panini Elite Extra Edition. The blaster box this year is 11 card pack, 2 autos and 2 mem plus bonus, it looks like. So let's take a look at this. Box is a little dented, but I think that just was because of the security thing that they put on the boxes. That was really annoying. I'm going to use this White Sox pencil. It's time to pop a hole. Alright, let's see how this looks. Always like these cards because you just get like a nice little bunch of prospect autos and inserts. And let's take a look here. Alright, so this appears to be the bonus, and then we are 2 packs. Okay, so let's just one at a time. Let's open the bonus first. And we got this will be difficult. Just out hurting the cards. We got an international auto at 50 of Juan Jerez. So the internationals are the Dominican League players. That's nice. All right, now let's take a look at our 2 packs here. So pack 1. Okay, so we got Giordano's of the Reds. We got the lower numbered parallel is Tanner Houck. First auto is Matt Sauer. I'm not sure if he's a New York or a Yankee or Met, so I'll have to check out. If it's a Met, good job. Got Nick Senzel, dual jersey out of $2.99. Always have good luck at getting dual jerseys out of this. And the last regular was a Diego Castillo. Right. And the second pack. We have a Hagen Danner. That is a guy I've never heard of. Let's see, our lower numbered card is a die cut Sam Carlson out of 99. Our other auto is a Nick Allen out of 100. That's a nice lower number. Not familiar with Nick too, but take a look at the key flow rankings. Guys. Chance Adams, he is a Yankee, I know that. Number 299 triple jersey. And our other card is a Juan Jerez again at 99. So we got his base and we have his auto. So not bad. 2 decent players, Senzel and Adams for jerseys, and Jerez, Sauer, and Allen for the autos. So that'll do it this one. If we don't post another break, hope everybody has a happy holidays and happy new year, and see you in 2018.